If you're watching this video, you probably have special needs hair. What is special needs hair? How do you know if you have special needs hair? What do you do when you find out you have special needs hair? And the dangers of neglecting the special needs hair. Special needs is a situation whereby a person needs extra support in carrying out their daily activities owing to a setback in their physical development, psychological health, etc. Let's bring it to here. The situation where you find out that a particular section of your hair is different in terms of texture, porosity, density, and even length, including color. That's how you know that, okay, something is not sitting right. You need to pay closer attention. For example, I myself, I have particular sections of my hair that are different in texture, density, porosity, length, and color. These sections are much thinner than the rest of my hair, more lighter than the rest of my hair, more prone to dryness, more prone to breakage. And so they are significantly shorter in length than the rest of my hair. And this is something that is also biological. Do you understand? Other factors like your environment, diet, and even health can affect, the state of your hair. But this one is more of biological than any other factor. I've made my research, believe me. But I'm not sure about you. So that's why I'm bringing your mind to this so that you'll be aware and more observant of your hair so that you know the right way to care for your hair. My hair need and your hair need may be totally different. Do you understand? So, first point is to find out the root cause. Second point is to know the perfect approach suitable for the cause of your hair need. Do you understand? Some people may be low in iron or vitamin D. That's why their hair is breaking off. Do you understand? So, this is why I'm bringing it to your notice. Please listen, engage in this video, like, subscribe, and watch to the end. So now, how do you take care of special needs hair? First off, you treat that particular section of your head as a unit. Do you understand? You don't associate it with the rest of your head. If not, they may not survive certain manipulation as the rest of your head. Do you get me? When I'm detangling my hair, I detangle this aspect of my hair differently. I don't try to, attach it to the rest of my hair. They don't have the same resilience as the rest of my hair, so they are more prone to breakage. And when I'm also installing my protective style, I am more gentle. I am gentle for all parts of my hair, but I am more gentle for these sections because, again, they are more prone to breakage than the rest of my hair. Another point is when I'm moisturizing my hair, I moisturize this special needs area more. For example, in a day, I moisturize my hair like once or twice in a day, but these sections, I moisturize them 3 times in a day or even 4 times, depending. And another thing I do is I use more glycerin on this special needs section of my hair. Do you understand? Glycerin helps to keep them hydrated. Do you understand? And it keeps the moisture to last much longer than usual. So that's the work of glycerin. So I make sure while moisturizing my hair, I add some glycerin. Do you get? So what are the dangers of neglecting hair with special needs? The dangers of neglecting it is that they will break off. Like you tend to be completely bald in this area of your head, and you really don't want that. You don't want that. I am sure you don't want that. Do you understand? So the key to keeping them standing in there is to keep them moisturized and be very gentle with them so they don't break off during manipulation, like the detangling process or protective style installation process. Hope this video helped you. Do you have similar experiences as me? I would like to hear from you. Kindly put in your valid opinion in the comments. I'm looking forward to reading from you. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share with people you think may need this information.